So today we're going to be looking at why having a clear financial and a financial life plan can actually keep you on track, keep you true to your real purpose, to help you make decisions that don't impact on your real purpose, your real point, and what it is that you really want to achieve. Imagine you're paying into a savings plan, you keep paying into it, you keep doing the same thing, and then eventually one day it will deliver enough money to enable you to have whatever it happens to be, a house by the sea or whatever. But why should you feel that that's so far in the distance? How about enjoying your life now so that you can actually embrace and feel alive? It's a long time until maybe you retire. Maybe it's a long time until you end up living there in the retirement home. And how would it be if you had a plan in place that not only helped you build towards that really good future, but also embraced the here and the now, the things that we feel every day when we wake up. Now, I had a client who told me in his life planning questions that he wanted to buy a chalet in the Alps. And I said, well, what's that really going to bring you? Why do you want to buy that? He said, well, I could rent it out in the summer. It'd be a good financial decision. I thought, well, he's being driven now by finance. What is it that you really want from buying the chalet? I mean, it turns out that what he really wanted was to take his children and his family to this beautiful environment throughout the seasons, to experience the wonder of the summer in the Alps, autumn, the floods in the spring, and also, of course, the skiing in the winter. And yet I pointed out to him that actually the plan doesn't support that at the moment, but he now knows what he really wanted, those feelings, those experiences. And it suddenly dawned on him that he didn't need to go and spend hundreds of thousands of euros on a shed on the side of a mountain. What he could actually do is build that into his ongoing budget, his structure, and embrace those holidays. He knew how the family holidays should look and how they wanted to spend them and what they wanted to feel. And this is what our work is really about. It's about embracing and in capturing those core feelings, those core aims and objectives now, having a sensible view on the future, but still enabling you to feel alive in the meantime. So a few questions you can ask yourself. How would your best day, your best week and your best year look? How would it really be? Of those ideal day, weeks or years, what elements of those do you think you can capture now? And finally, write all these things down. Figure out which are those most important things to you in your life plan in those ideal days. And then see if there's a way that you can start to make them happen. And as always, if you need any help with any of this, drop me an email, drop me a message in the comment section below, which then can help you start to plan this out and give you some more structure to your day, your week, your year, and most importantly, your life.